I'm Rod Alsgayer, and I'm proudly representing Filipinas.
Very kind, so Ray is a very special person. So yun, and Ray, we're here and always here for you, and good luck to your journey. And we all know that you will bring home the crown here, and we always here for you, brother.
Siguro, isang na-notice ko kay Raib, nung pumunta siya sa SAPCO is the discipline. Kasi nagdala siya sa akin, nagdala siya ng alam niyo yung kinakain niya, karne lang, walang, sabi niya, inopera niya pa nga, pero hindi ako kumakain ng karne. So, I just want to say na congratulations, and I know yung discipline na pinut mo dito sa, of course, sa journey mo, napaka laki. And I hope you walk with my suit with pride. And of course, be yourself, and I know you can do it. Thank you.
Good evening to each and every one of you. Bro, good luck. Yeah. Nabigla naman ako, Sir Jun. May salita pa ulit. So, ang gusto ko lang sabihin siguro, I'll give you some advice. Maybe to your future, even pag nanalo ka or kung ano pwedeng mangyari. As the Executive Director of Misters of Filipinas, unang-una maraming salamat sa PEPS, kay Sir Carlo, and of course sa inyo pong lahat. Mag-share lang po ako ng konting advice po, especially sa mga future winners natin sa Misters of Filipinas and sa Man of the World. 2023, nung nanalo ko sa sa international pageant, before ako sumali ng Misters of Filipinas, lagi ko pong sinasabi sa sarili ko na I will continue to motivate and inspire people. Hindi lang sa mga sa pageantry, of course, in the real life situations. There's a saying, we came from this world naked, and we will depart from this world naked. And I came up with the understanding na regardless kung anong meron tayo, kung ano man title na meron tayo, always choose to be good. You know, be good in the face of failure, be good even after you achieve something in life, even if you win the man of the world. Because in the end of the day, what matters the most is, you know, the attitude and the character itself. Because you know, our body, our beautiful face will not last forever. But I think this is not the easiest, but probably this is the best legacy that we can leave behind before we depart from this world. You know, and good luck, and thank you so much for inviting me. Salamat.
Thank you so much.
Well, I just want to say that I didn't know that I have to be here giving this speech now, so sorry because I don't have a suit, you know, unexpected. Come here. Okay, so this is the thing. I want to wish all the best to a person that's is not only the Man of the World Philippines 2025, is a friend, somebody that showed me the truly side of the friendship, that respect my family, respect me, and everything that I can say, right? I wish you all the best. You have all the possibilities, and I think that you know that. So just show that to the world, brother. Love you, my brother.
Mabuhay! I'm Rod Alsgayer, and I'm proudly representing the Filipinas!